So I want to show you guys exactly what Rich is talking about right here. So this is almost instantaneously the tweet that caused algos to temporarily lift Aphria around 9%. And as you can see right here's the chart. And literally when that tweet got released, you've seen Aphria go up 9.37%. Well, before we get started, I would like to ask you guys to please give me a like. It really helps my channel and it will push me to make more videos. So let's try to get this video to 100 likes.
What's going on, guys? It's Investing Hustler here, and today I have Rich from RichTvLive. How's it going, Rich?
Good. How you doing, buddy?
Oh, it's going good. Markets aren't doing too bad. I feel like they're slightly recovering. What companies did you want to talk about? I guess we could start off with the big one, Aphria, right?
Yeah, Aphria today has done well. Obviously, they've been under short pressure. There's been short attacks. Two articles have been reported and published negatively about Aphria. But what happened today that was very interesting is notorious short seller, one of our favorite guys, Andrew Left, he put out a report stating that Aphria is a buy and that it's going to go to $10 Canadian.
Andrew Left. That's the last person I would expect to say that out of all people. Andrew Left.
Exactly.
What's
so
going
we thought
on?
it was, everyone in our community was talking about it. We thought it was very ironic that a notorious short seller would put out a report from Citron, from his own firm, saying that Aurora is a buy and essentially saying it's going to go to $10 Canadian. It's at $7.53 Canadian. So far he's correct.
So I want to show you guys exactly what Rich is talking about right here. So this is almost instantaneously the tweet that caused algos to temporarily lift Aphria around 9%. And as you can see right here's the chart. And literally when that tweet got released, you've seen Aphria go up 9.37%. Benjamin A. Smith, wow, at Citron Research, moved Aphria up 9.37% in seconds with this tweet. Congrats to Kron. A floor has been established. Time to rethink all valuations. Aphria is compelling on all metrics. Canadian footprints too large to ignore. Stock should see US $10. More details to come. So if Aphria, So if Aphria sees $10 or more, that means that it's going to be around 13, close to $14 Canadian. So this is really good news. This tweet brought Aphria up, and as we could see from the charts, we've already looked. Aphria is up 8.6% today. So it's looking good for Aphria. Honestly, I'm expecting that the short sellers are now going to attack Aphria because it seems like every time Aphria makes a nice little good run, what happens? An article attacking Aphria gets released. So I won't be surprised if tonight or tomorrow morning before the market opens, we're going to see an article attacking Aphria. But anyways, back to the video with me and Rich.
So he's made the right call on this. I think we all think that it's undervalued at these prices. It's a really good company. Yeah. This was definitely a buying opportunity for those really risky people that want to buy it. But I think what this shows is that even Andrew Left feels like this negative news is not going to stop Aphria. And that's the thing that I'm excited about, is that it just strengthens my position that they're going to be able to overcome this negative publicity and this lawsuit and this short attack, which if a short seller, a notorious short seller, is saying it's still a buy and he's publishing it and putting his name on it and saying it's worth at least $10, which is still a 25% upside from today's prices.
Honestly, I would expect him to jump on that bandwagon and short the crap out of them, especially after those allegations. So that's really surprising to me. But
maybe he already did. Maybe he already shorted them.
Maybe he made his money. Now he bought in. He bought on the lows.
And he's like, okay, I made money on the way down. Let's make some money on the way up, because they're just too big to fail. And that's what I've been saying. I'm like, they're too big to fail. This issue is only talking about 6% of the company. They have lots of money to pay for big lawyers. They will get through this.
Yeah. Well, I've definitely been buying on the way down. I'm pretty sure I commented on your channel. I bought some at $6.50. I bought some at $5. So I pretty much caught the two bottoms here, the two lows. And then I sold half my shares on this morning right here. And I'm still holding on to half my position. So if it goes to $10, I don't know if I should hold long-term or sell off at that point. But it's risky still holding this stock because no one really knows what's going to happen with those allegations.
Very risky. So yeah, I'm not suggesting anybody should buy this stock. Remember, Rich TV Live and Investor Hustler, we are not licensed advisors. Always do your due diligence. Always do your research before you invest in anything that we talk about here on our channel. Okay.
Yeah, no, it's definitely risky, and I've been saying it the whole time. I'm literally just buying because of my gut feeling. I just had a gut feeling it would go back up, and luckily I was right, or else I'd be paying the price. So you
Yeah,
gotta
well, I
invest
mean,
at
when
your
you
own risk.
watch stocks and you date these stocks for as long as we have, you start to learn what the bottom is. And when there's bad news on great companies,
Yeah,
that's nothing short of a buying opportunity. So you took
exactly.
advantage of that. I applaud you for that. It is very risky. I
Yeah.
wouldn't touch it. I don't like to touch anything that's going through a lawsuit.
Yeah,
It's just
no.
one of my rules. But for those people that are very risky, it is a very great opportunity. Now, once they get past this, absolutely, I would buy the stock again.
Yeah.
But right now, until they are past this, I don't feel comfortable personally putting my money into the stock at this point.
Yeah, no, it's especially because I'm used to holding Aphria. Back in the day, they were up in the 20s. So the fact that it went all the way down to 5, it's like I couldn't miss out on that opportunity. Especially because I held Aphria. I sold some shares. I sold most of my position when they were back in the high 20s, back pre legalization. So I just had a feeling that they would go back up to those numbers. Because look at how low they are here compared to how high they were here.
Yeah, it's
And
52-week
even
low.
if you look at when it was in January, Aphria was as high as 24.75. So that's just the potential I see in Aphria. So at $5, you can almost 5 times your money. So, but that's just speculating to another level. But yeah,
Past results are not an
yeah,
indication of future results. So
no,
we
that's
can't
true.
just assume, especially when they're going through all of this negative short attacks.
Hmm.
So I just found it interesting that Citron Research were publishing that it's a buy and that they give it a $10 price target. So I thought that that was interesting. And I believe that might be the reason why it's going up today based on that
Yeah,
article.
maybe because but I did see a $10 support line here. So maybe that's why they're saying $10 because it might go back to that support line, or the $10 might be their resistance. But yeah, you did say you have some news today about something high times.
Yeah, so we've been in talks with High Times to get on Rich TV Live, and yeah, I have some breaking news. High Times will be on Rich TV Live. We will be interviewing them shortly, sometime in the next couple of weeks here before Christmas. So stay tuned. High Times, Rich TV Live. It's true.
Yeah, look forward to that. I'll definitely try to catch it. So what do you think about the farm bill? I don't think it's official yet today. I heard it was going to be official Wednesday or Thursday.
I'm waiting for news. I'm still waiting on the news. I think when they do announce that it has been approved, it'll be a catalyst for the entire sector. And when you are right now only allowed to do medical CBDs,
Yeah,
and then you legalize hemp
yeah,
throughout America, and they're projecting that the revenues right now, which are 800 million a year, are going to go up to 22 billion in 4 years. That's a pretty substantial growth curve.
yeah.
So I believe that this is going to be a catalyst for the entire sector, especially companies in the CBD space and
Yep.
the hemp space, and in America. This is going to be a massive catalyst. So stay tuned.
And who do you think is going to be the big winners from this? Like
I
which
think all the
company?
companies that are in the hemp space, companies like CWeb, companies like TrueLeave, companies like Cura, companies like MedMen that are strategically in America, companies like Aurora Cannabis,
How about
companies
Hemco?
like Aphria, companies like Hempco Food and Fiber,
Yeah.
companies, there's so many, even companies like Canopy Growth. I believe they'll all be affected by this. A lot of them are starting to want to expand into America. So I believe all of them will be affected by this, and this will be a catalyst for the industry. And I just put out a song yesterday talking about the cannabis stock resurrection because I believe it's coming.
Yeah. It sure looks like it. Right now these companies are doing, obviously they're not in the green except for like Aphria, but they're not doing that bad. Like Aurora's 0%. They didn't go up or down yet. Canopy's only down 0.26%. So they haven't really declined that much. And we had 2 green days in a row. So I was expecting a bad red day today because we haven't seen 2 green days in a long time. But it looks like we've kind of found like a stable ground. Like they have seemed to stabilize a little. Or what do you think about that?
Well, I think we found 52-week lows,
Yeah.
and we've even seen some stocks go below 52-week lows. So, for me, I do believe in charts, and I do believe in historical patterns.
Mm-hmm.
And I believe we found the floor. Now, could we see some more selling? Yeah, of course. Could it go a little bit lower? Yeah. Could it go a lot lower? Yeah. But I think eventually, based on the revenues, based on the growth of this industry, these stocks, especially the best stocks, the revenue generating stocks in North America, are going to have their day in the sun. And we will be ready, and we will be right there reporting on it 24/7. That's for sure.
Yep. So the big winner for today is Aphria. Eh? Do you know any companies doing really well today?
Yeah, you can take a look at HipH. They're in the CBD beverage company.
What's their ticker symbol?
HIPH. It's more of a penny stock, but it's a company that our community is winning on. It's having a very strong day today.
They're up 33%. Wow.
Yeah, you can see their chart. So, we see it all here on RichTvLive. We know all the winners before anybody else. So HipH is up 33%. We've been talking about it in our community. I've done a lot of videos about them. They've gone much higher. They've recently come down. They put out some huge news, and the stock is responding today, up 30%. So a lot of members in our community are winning on HipH today.
Have you ever heard of MDRM, Modern Mobility Aids?
MDRM.
Another penny stock, but they're up 30% as well today.
Yeah, I'm not familiar with them, but it's nice to see that. Yeah,
they're a very good swing trade company. I've been buying them in at like 18 cents. Oh no, 0.18 cents, and then selling them at 2 cents, 2.35 cents. So yeah,
nice.
they're 30%.
Very nice.
Yeah, so it looks like the markets aren't doing too bad, but how about all these other companies? How's Apple? Apple's up. Yeah, the market, we're having a decent day. I guess we're recovering from
well, the market was red initially. And it's come back a lot. Even the Dow was down like 300-400 points initially. And I think now it's only down like, last time I looked, like 70 points. So it's starting to rally back. So I don't know if we're going to finish green, but I don't think we're going to have a brutal red day. I think it'll be more like a mixed day today.
Yeah, it looks like we're just trading sideways today. So tomorrow, what do you expect? Green, red?
I'm waiting for this farm bill to be passed. If the bill gets passed, I expect tomorrow will be green.
Yeah.
So I'm still waiting on that news. I haven't heard any news break on it yet, but I'm assuming that if the news breaks that the farm bill is passed, that we will see green.
I heard it's not going to get passed till Wednesday or Thursday, but who knows?
Yeah, well, apparently they're doing the vote today, but there's going to be delays, and they're saying that it might not even be passed until next week officially.
Yeah.
But I want to see that vote get passed. So that's what I'm waiting on, and apparently it was supposed to be today. So I'm still waiting. Like the way politics are, they may push it, they may delay it. So we might not hear an answer yet for a day or two, or maybe even for a week, but I'll be listening very carefully, and we'll be watching. That's for sure.
Any companies you're watching right now on your watch list that you plan to buy soon?
Yeah, I'm looking at a lot of companies. Kush Bottles, Cura, Medman, Aphria, Aurora, Canna Royalty. I like all 6 of those right now. I want them all. So I'm hunting their bottoms right now.
Yeah, so add them to your watch list, but invest at your own risk. Strictly for educational and entertainment purposes, right?
It's true. If you're not winning, you're not watching. This is your boy Rich here with Investing Hustler.
Yep.
Are we out?
What are we at? We're at 13 minutes. I think we're good. It's a quick little video. I say we do another collab, 100 likes, and we'll do another collab, me, Rich, and Departures Capital. What do you think, Rich?
I'm down for that. 100 likes.
100 likes.
Investing Hustler. Get us 100 likes in this video, and we'll do a 3-way collab. Investing Hustler, your boy Rich, Departures Capital. We're out.
Do it, man. 100 likes. Don't forget to subscribe to RichTvLive. Don't forget to subscribe to Investing Hustler. Hit that notification bell, and we'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.
Smash it.
Bye-bye.